Have you ever looked up at the night sky only to find fewer stars than you expected? This is not because they've disappeared, but because of a hidden type of pollution many people haven't thought about: light pollution. One clear night in 1994, just before dawn, an earthquake struck the city of Los Angeles, causing a nearly complete power outage across the entire city. Many residents woke up and stumbled into the streets, only to be surprised by a giant cloud occupying the city's sky. They immediately called emergency services to report this mysterious object. Later, it turned out that this strange phenomenon was nothing but the sky adorned with the Milky Way's starry band, a sight that entire generations of the city's residents had never seen before. Light pollution is not just a present problem, it's shaping our future too. In this video, I will use the cone of possibilities to guide us through understanding its impact, imagining what could happen if we continue ignoring it, and exploring how we can take action to create a better future. So, what is light pollution? Let's dive in. Definition of light pollution. Light pollution is the human-made alteration of outdoor light levels from those occurring naturally. When we overlight, fail to use timers and sensors, or use the wrong color of light, we can negatively affect many parts of our world, including migratory birds, pollinators, sea turtles, and mammals, including humans. Light can be a pollutant. Most of us are familiar with air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. But did you know that light can also be a pollutant? Components of light pollution include glare, excessive brightness that causes visual discomfort; sky glow, brightening of the night sky over inhabited areas; light trespass, light falling where it is not intended or needed; clutter, bright, confusing, and excessive groupings of light sources. What causes light pollution? Light pollution is a side effect of industrial civilization. Its sources include building exterior and interior lighting, advertising, commercial properties, offices, factories, streetlights, and illuminated sporting venues. Light pollution affects a staggering 80% of the world's population, with 99% of Europeans and Americans living under skies that are 10% brighter than their natural state. Urbanized countries like Singapore, Kuwait, and Qatar experience the brightest night skies, leaving residents unable to see the natural beauty of the stars. Conversely, less developed nations such as Chad, the Central African Republic, and Madagascar remain relatively unaffected, preserving their pristine nightscapes. Light pollution disrupts natural ecosystems by confusing wildlife behaviors such as migration, reproduction, and hunting patterns. Sea turtles, for example, struggle to navigate to the ocean due to artificial beachfront lighting. Additionally, excessive exposure to artificial light negatively impacts human health by interfering with sleep cycles, suppressing melatonin production, and contributing to sleep disorders and other health issues. The implications of light pollution extend beyond aesthetics. Researchers report that a third of the world's population can no longer see the Milky Way. This not only hinders astronomical research, but also distances humanity from its cosmic heritage. If current trends of light pollution continue unchecked, the consequences could be devastating for ecosystems, wildlife, and even human health. Scientific studies have shown significant effects of light pollution on various living organisms, including humans themselves. Scientists believe there are links between artificial lights and eye diseases, insomnia, obesity, and even depression. An American study on shift workers suggested a connection between nighttime light exposure and increased breast cancer risk due to the suppression of natural nighttime melatonin production. As for birds, Estimates published by the University of Oxford indicate that between 100 million and 1 billion birds die each year from colliding with buildings in the United States alone, with artificial lights believed to play a major role in this high mortality rate. In one of the largest field experiments measuring the effects of light pollution on ecosystems conducted in the Netherlands over more than 6 years, the research team found physiological evidence of harmful impacts of light pollution on wildlife health. Songbirds roaming near white light were disturbed throughout the night, slept less, and experienced metabolic changes indicating weakened health. The effects extend to much smaller creatures, such as insects, which are vital food sources and pollinators in many ecosystems. Estimates of street light impacts in Germany suggest that artificial light can kill more than 60 billion insects in a single summer, as insects are attracted directly to the lights, with many dying after circling them for hours. If left unaddressed, these impacts will likely worsen, further destabilizing ecosystems and increasing health risks worldwide. Humanity may face a future where the beauty of nature's nocturnal world is lost, replaced by lifeless, artificial glow. Governmental and national initiatives establish clear legislation. Governments should enforce clear lighting regulations to limit outdoor lighting and control lighting device types. Environmental protection efforts support environmental protection laws with strict penalties for violators. Fund scientific research. Allocate budgets for research on light pollution, empowering experts to develop innovative solutions. Personal initiatives. Use proper lighting fixtures. Choose shielded outdoor lighting that prevents sky glow. Install motion sensors. Use motion sensors to reduce unnecessary lighting. Reduce light use at home. Close curtains at night and turn off lights when not needed. Final message. Addressing light pollution requires a united effort where governments enforce laws, businesses adopt responsible lighting, and individuals take small steps that collectively lead to brighter futures under darker skies. Implementing these solutions could lead us toward a better future. But what happens if we succeed or fail? Let's explore 3 possible futures shaped by our actions or lack thereof. Optimistic future. In an ideal future, where governments enforce strict regulations and individuals adopt sustainable lighting practices, light pollution becomes a thing of the past. Cities implement energy-efficient lighting systems, reducing sky glow and restoring the beauty of starry nights. Wildlife flourishes as natural habitats recover, and people enjoy healthier lives with improved sleep and lower energy costs. Imagine a world where even city dwellers can gaze at the Milky Way from their backyards, thanks to collective action and technological advancements. Pessimistic future. But what if no action is taken? Unchecked urban expansion continues, drowning the night sky in artificial glow. Wildlife struggles to survive, with birds and insects perishing by the millions. People face worsening sleep disorders, depression, and rising energy bills as light pollution spirals out of control. In this future, starry nights become legends told to future generations, memories of a world lost to excess and neglect. Middle ground future. What if progress is made, but only partially? Some countries adopt lighting reforms, enjoying darker skies and healthier ecosystems. However, other regions fall behind due to economic or political barriers, leaving many still trapped under constant artificial light. In this future, progress shines unevenly. Some regions reclaim their night skies, while others remain stuck in endless brightness.